SnapPress. Brilliantly simple.
Welcome to SnapPress. Behind me is the P5 along with the Talon. Kathy here is going to go over both the printer and the finisher with label being printed.
I'm Kathy, our senior label technician here at SnapPress. As Cameron said, we're going to go over our P5 toner-based 5-inch printer as well as our Talon finishing system. Today we're going to be printing on a 4-inch foil. It has a nice silver finish to it, and this is a continuous label. The nice thing with the P5 printer is you have the option to print on a continuous label like we are today, or pre-die cut media. To start operating the P5 printer, you merely have to press and hold the power button until the green lights turn on. Once you have power to the printer, you're going to push this knob here, and this covering is going to open. This is where your unprinted media is going to feed directly into the printer. Just lift a series of latches and covers and take your roll of media and slide it on. You're going to push it all the way to the back against this plate and then lock down. You're going to hear a series of clicks once it's tight and lock into place. From here, take the edge of your media, go under the roller and lock into place here and here. All that's left to do is close the cover. You're going to select feed, and yes. This is going to advance the media through the printer so that you can attach it to our rewinder unit on the opposite end. So you'll need a cardboard core on the opposite end, roughly the same width as your printable media. This slides on and secure in place. Feed it underneath the arm and attach. Use any other decal you have or tape. Just make sure it's secure to the cardboard core. Turn on your rewinder unit and gently lift the arm. Now that the printer is in this position, fully webbed through and attached to your rewinder unit, you're now ready to print a long print job. So with our P5 printer, it operates out of Adobe Illustrator. It's as easy as uploading your artwork like I've done here and setting your artboard to whatever the width of your printable media is. Once you're happy with your artwork, you're going to go up to File and Print. With the P5 printer, you have the option to print on pre-die cut media. Today, loaded, we have a 4x4-inch square pre-die cut label. This loads in exactly as you would with continuous unconverted media. And there's just a couple of quick settings within the printer and Illustrator you would need to set to tell that it is being printed on pre-die cut. Another nice feature of the P5 printer is that once your job is done printing, it will cut for you right at the end. So this is our Talon finishing system. It can take rolls of media up to 8.5 inches and can cut up to 10 feet per minute. This label finishing system uses what's known as a drag knife cutter. Instead of having a traditional rotary die cutting machine, this uses a single blade to cut out any intricate shape that you may want for your finished labels. It's as easy as opening up your Illustrator file, creating your custom die line, and then sending it to the finisher. Another nice feature of our label finishing systems is the option to add lamination all in a single fluid step. The other thing that our label finishing systems will do for you is after the design has been cut out, the finisher will weed off any excess material, leaving behind the finished label ready for application. To do so, you'll just take the edge on the media here, separate it from its liner, and attach to a cardboard core or piece of paper on this mandrel. The other nice feature of the Talon Label Finishing system is it comes with this standalone system, or you have the option of making it a tabletop design as well. Once your printed labels have been webbed through the finisher and the laser for the blade has been aligned, you're now ready to finish your labels. Let me show you what that looks like. After completing your job of finished labels, you're going to turn off your output mandrel with the switch, take a pair of scissors, and cut across the web. Slide off your finished labels. Here you now see that the labels are presented in position 3.
And thank you for watching. As you can see, here's your finished label. This gap is adjustable. We just took this for a demonstration solely for purposes of showing you the printer and how it works. Obviously, you can print on all sorts of media. We chose a foil today to represent for you. As Kathy mentioned, the capability of the P5 also has the pre-die cut media. If you're able to see, it has the pre-die cut shapes. This would be where your file would be on. Just run it through the printer. It comes out the other side, just on these. Thanks for watching.